So today we're gonna talk about depression and PTSD. Both of these problems are very, very common in our society today. And if we really have to understand PTSD and depression, is that it's a psychological problem. It's not a physical problem. It always has been a psychological problem. What happened with depression and PTSD is that your mind separates from your body, and when the mind is overloading itself and cannot handle itself to tackle a problem, that's when you have PTSD and depression happening, and you feel useless. And we've been all through this type of problem, but but there is a solution to solve this problem. Some people would go to a therapy or go to some type of medication, but medication, I don't think medication would be the best solution, because we all know that any type of medication, there's always a side effect to it, and you can either get better or get it worse. I think the best way to treat PTSD and depression is really finding out who you are and accepting the problem, because if without you accepting the problem, you're never gonna solve it. Now, I'm talking about this because I have a lot of clients with PTSD and people with depression, and these people drive at least 2 hours to come here and get a tattoo. I mean, counseling would help. I mean, if just like addiction, you need somebody or you need something to help you out recover from this type of problem. And one solution that I find it very effective is getting a tattoo. But tattoo is just like any type of therapy or any type of medication. You cannot, once you have this, you have to keep going. It's like you're taking a medication for depression or PTSD. You stop taking this medication and it comes back again. But before you hit into some type of medication, you might want to get some type of tattoo therapy. But you have to keep up with it, because if you don't keep up with it, then it come back, right? So this is the benefits of having a tattoo. What I'm saying is that tattoo might not be for everybody, but you can try it. What the benefits of getting a tattoo to treat depression and PTSD is that when your mind separates from your body, that's when the depression or PTSD happen. So to connect your body and to your mind, you have to wake up the body to connect it to your mind. you know so the feeling of getting a tattoo, getting hurt, wakes your ass up. Tattoo hurts, and sometimes people needs this to attach their body back to their mind, and this is what the tattoo do for you. It connects back to where it belongs. When this body and mind separates, this is when PTSD and depression happen. Tattoo helps that connect these two important things together. It might not work for everybody, but at least try it. If you have a PTSD or depression, try to get a tattoo, and try to get it in the most painful area. Sometimes you just need to wake up the body. You just need to tell yourself that you're still alive, and you're thankful that you're alive today. So get a tattoo, and get a good one too. Don't be cheap.